on her like, oh, they don't know I got the drop on them like.
Okay, snack number 2 is going to be Greek yogurt. The reason why I chose Greek yogurt because it has probiotics. Some people, they ask me the question, why do you consume yogurt and you don't consume milk? Well, there's a difference. Yogurt is different from milk. You have probiotics, you have active bacteria in here that's going to help to clean out the gut. So this is one reason why I definitely go for yogurt instead of milk. Milk right now, my personal opinion, doesn't really provide the nutrients that I used to years ago. So instead, I feel like getting calcium from almond milk or coconut milk, or the different type of plant-based milks that are out there, is more beneficial than actual cow milk itself. So what we're gonna do is, because Greek yogurt is filled with protein, also hemp seed is also filled with protein, and these grains have a little bit of protein as well. So we're gonna create a snack that's lower in sugar, but it's gonna help to take care of that sweet tooth. This is light and fit Greek yogurt. The yogurt has 7 grams of sugar, 8 grams of carbs, and 12 grams of protein, and 1 cup, which is actually and 80 grams of calories. So that's awesome that this little yogurt provides you with all of those macronutrients. Now, this helps me to stay within that range. Okay, so I'm putting this in a bowl because it makes it easier to mix all the ingredients together. This is so good. I really like this flavor. This is banana cream. It's so good. Now, what I like to do is top it with hemp seeds. This is a plant-based omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, 10 grams of protein, which is awesome because this is a plant-based protein that I'm gonna put on top of the Greek yogurt. We're gonna put some hemp seeds. This tastes really good. I love hemp seeds because it has a nice buttery taste to it. And I'm gonna use some ancient grains to add extra crunch. This is mixed with sprouted buckwheat, sprouted millet, chia seeds, flaxseed, red quinoa. It all has some hemp seed in here, and amaranth. So not 1 full tablespoon, maybe that in there. Then we're gonna add some raspberries, some cinnamon. Now this is how I like my yogurt. You can top yours however you plan on topping it, but this is how I like to mix my yogurt up. And I'm gonna use a half of a banana. My banana looks like this because I like to keep the bananas in the fridge so they look darker, but there's still good banana. Some healthy fats. Coconut oil, just a little bit, about a teaspoon of coconut oil. It's the same spoon I use. Mix everything all together. And there you go. You have your protein, fats, and carbs in one bowl. That's so good.